Alright, today we're going to be taking these guts out of this rim and putting it inside this rim. I had a guy blow his guts in the bike that I sold him, actually the Grey Goose that was on my page. So we finna swap these guts out, and these guts in this rim is perfect. So he gonna have new guts, should be running like a charm.
And you can easily achieve this with these three tools.
So first I'm gonna start off by taking this nut off right here. If you can see it, let me make sure it's focused. So first we're gonna take this nut off right here. And we're gonna do it actually the easy way because we gotta pull the brakes out too. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it the easy way, and that should work out perfect. Okay, we got both nuts turning at the same time. That's not really good, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off if it'll come off and see how it go from there. Okay, we got the first nut off. As you can see, just gonna put that right there for a second. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the second piece, which should look like I'm gonna show you as soon as I get it off. It's a little warm too because they was working against each other, but I guess that's a good thing. So this is the second one. This is what it's gonna look like. Sit that there, and this should just twist off. So just go ahead and twist it counterclockwise and raise it up. It should come right off. Just sit that to the side. It's gonna be greasy, so this is a messy job. And go ahead and pull it out. And this is what you should have out from the other end. And see those brake shoes on there? There's two brake shoes on there that's laying in there. Actually, that's perfect for what I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave those brake shoes in. And just slide it back in the other rim. So here go our new rim with the tire on it. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that in this side. Alright, we got that in, and the full time I'm holding it, the brake lever, brake arm. So we're gonna go ahead and drop our bearing back on first. Then we want to go ahead and screw our sprocket in. And you should screw it in until it stops. That way you know it's in correct if it stops. Okay, now we want to go ahead and put our lock burn washer on, burn lock washer. We want to screw that all the way in until it seats, you know, kind of tight but not really tight. Cause that's your guts there, and when people say they, you know, feel like the rim loose, this is what they meaning right here, that it's too loose, and it actually can be too tight and wear your bearings faster. So what you want is just right, and the way to test that is just barely tighten it by hand and loosen it by hand, and go ahead and turn your wheel and hold the axle while you're turning the wheel, and see how smooth it is. If it's smooth, then you know where you want it without, you know what I'm saying, without having it too tight or without having your rim loose. And then you want to go ahead and put the last bolt on. That would be your lock bolt that locks up against the washer bolt. I mean the bearing bolt, sorry. I don't know the exact name of these bolts, but I did this enough times. Okay, now you want to check again for tightness. So we got a little loosen over here. We want to go tighter. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wrench on this first one and tighten it up as tight as I can get it. You know, without.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.